Hey guys, Carl with MarineMax here in Panama City Beach. Today I'm going to show you a used pre-owned 2022 Harris Sunliner, 23 foot long. As you can see, it's already outfitted with the Vantage wrap, protectant wrap on the outside. It is the sport model, so some nice incentives here. Let's jump aboard and see what we got. All right, starting here in the rear of the boat, this Sunliner is equipped with a 200 horse Mercury outboard, very low hours on this boat, so a lot of horsepower here to get you to where you want to go in a hurry should you like. You got your tow bar if you want to do some activities, skiing or tubing or what have you for the kids, but it is there if you need to. This specific model is the lounge model, so you have this lounge that can fold back and forth and kind of conform to whatever suits you best. So a lot of options there as well. And with the sport model, you do have the hard top here, a little bit sportier look, nice bimini top to get you out of the elements if you need that. Get out of the sun for a little while. Both of your captain's chairs, your co-pilot and your pilot, is the oversized captain's chair here. So really feels comfortable, makes it very nice for you out on the water. In the helm, you do have your Simrad touchscreen that's going to come with your charts, your graphs, your depth finder, everything you will need to navigate the waters safely and comfortably. A JL audio system, so you do have the upgraded entertainment package as well. So JL audio, speakers, head unit here, integrated phone charging, LED lighting, red, green, blue, throughout the boat, really gives it a nice look. And then up front, as you saw, plenty of seating for everybody, and you see that the table is already installed as well. That is removable if you want to take that out and make it more of an open space. But overall, a 22 model, pre-owned, great condition. I'd love to show it to you. My name's Carl at Panama City Beach MarineMax. 334-695-6035 is my cell. Give me a call today.